The timeline is alarming. Between September 19 and September 30, 2025, a vital opportunity emerges for 3I Atlas to finalize its trajectory. The gas pulses it emits appear meticulously engineered rather than random. This could bring Atlas perilously close to Mars. Traveling at approximately 57 km per second relative to Mars, its impact could obliterate vast quantities of rock. Even a missed encounter would not be without consequences. Dust and molten debris could be cast into orbit, obscuring the Martian atmosphere and potentially ejecting hazardous materials into interplanetary space. Skeptics are racing to rationalize these observations, yet the data is unequivocal. No comet recorded has demonstrated such precise self-propulsion. Sublimation, the way sunlight vaporizes ice into jets, is unpredictable and chaotic, while Atlas shows an entirely different demeanor. Its gas jets are emitted at regular intervals of 17 minutes, showing remarkable consistency. Calculations indicate that the 10 km per second trajectory shift observed would require over 10 billion joules of concentrated energy, far exceeding any natural stellar explosion. If this energy exists, it suggests a concealed source lying beneath the icy surface. What might that source entail? Speculation ranges from nuclear fusion to antimatter, with more cautious theories suggesting unknown physical principles could be at work. Yet, if Atlas operates using an engine, this implies it was constructed. And if it was constructed, then it must have been built by someone. Secret preparations are already underway. Space agencies remain uncharacteristically silent, but some information is leaking out. The European Space Agency, Roscosmos, China's CNSA, and Japan's JAXA have assembled emergency task forces. NASA has redirected satellites to monitor continuously. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope and Hubble are gearing up for joint observation operations. For the first time, discussions about intercepting or neutralizing an incoming interstellar object are being taken seriously. This situation elicits a mix of exhilaration and dread among scientists. The prevailing evidence no longer supports the view of a mere comet drifting aimlessly through predictable paths. Atlas behaves more like a vehicle, firing jets at exact intervals, emitting beams of directional light, and adjusting its speed in unnatural ways. Some interpret this as evidence of engineering, indicative of a purposeful design. If that hypothesis is valid, the pressing question arises: who, or what, is in control of it? Could Atlas be the dormant probe of a long-extinct civilization, still executing commands inscribed millions of years ago? Might it be an autonomous craft, operating on principles beyond our current understanding, designed to traverse the galaxy independently of its makers? Or, most unsettlingly, could it be intentionally observing us, evaluating our reactions as it approaches? As September approaches, astronomers worldwide will focus their telescopes on this intriguing object. Every jet pulse, velocity adjustment, and glimmer of possible metal will be meticulously documented. Scientists aspire to uncover the true identity of Atlas within the interplay of data and light. But time is of the essence. If it successfully crosses its final orbital threshold, Mars may endure an impact similar to the late heavy bombardment over 4 billion years ago, a time when asteroids drastically altered the planets and oceans boiled beneath fiery rains. The stakes are immense. A direct strike could decimate the Martian surface, destroying robotic missions and distributing debris across the inner solar system. For planetary scientists, this could present a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to study impact dynamics and interstellar material in real time. However, for humanity, it would be a slow-motion disaster, unfolding pulse by pulse, as if the universe were collectively inhaling. Each burst of green light from Atlas might signify more than just the outgassing of volatile ice. It may serve as a communication, a probe, or a trial. The first indication of extraterrestrial intelligence might not manifest in radio signals as widely anticipated, but rather through movement, color, and intentional energy painted against the dark sky. While we might not capture a message, a visual signal could be within reach. As the red planet rises this September, humanity waits. Above its rugged terrain, vast canyons, frigid poles, and robotic explorers, a stellar object weaves through millions of kilometers of cosmic space. It pulses with a steady rhythm, hinting at design rather than randomness. It may simply be a natural anomaly, peculiar but explainable. Alternatively, it could represent something deliberate, the handiwork of minds reaching out across the cosmos. The countdown is ticking. The pulses persist. Soon, the truth about 3I, Atlas will come to light. If it turns out to be a natural phenomenon, science will still be irrevocably changed. However, if it reveals traces of intelligence behind its radiant core, humanity may be poised to experience an event that redefines